Hey guys, this is Uncle D with BrewKit. Today we're going to talk a little bit about what BrewKit is and setting up a BrewKit account. First of all, what is BrewKit? BrewKit's a cloud-based platform for creating, storing, and sharing your beer recipes. It was developed to provide a simple way to save beer recipes and access them on all different types of devices, whether it be Android, iPhone, iPad, or a web browser. We also wanted to make it easy to share recipes between brewers. With QR codes and browser links, it's seamless to exchange recipes with other BrewKit users. Best of all, it's completely free with no limits on the features that are offered or the number of recipes that can be stored on your account. So let's get started. Go ahead and go to your favorite browser and go to brewkitapp.com. From here, you can go ahead and sign up for an account on the browser, or you can go ahead and link directly to the Google Play Store for your Android device, or the Apple App Store for your iPhone or your iPad. For the sake of this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and use the Android. So once you've downloaded the app, go ahead and launch it. When the app opens, you'll be taken directly to the recipe screen. Let's go ahead and go to the profile. Now, if you haven't signed up for an account, you can sign up in the app as well as on the web page here. So we'll go ahead and create a test user. The password, let's just use all lowercase BrewKit. And we'll go ahead and sign up. Now you'll need to verify your account after you sign up the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and verify our account here. Okay, now that we've verified our account, let's go ahead and log in. So now that we're logged in, we can go ahead and go to our profile here. And you'll see we have our test user. Right now we don't have any saved recipes. In the next video we're going to go ahead and talk about how to create recipes as well as importing them from a BeerXML standard. Thank you.